Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is Harpreet tosses two different coins simultaneously. Say one is of Re1 and the other of Rs2. What is the probability that C gets at least one head? So guys, Harpreet, a person who tosses two coins simultaneously, and the question wants us to know what is the probability that she gets at least one head. Now let us look here. If this is one coin, okay, and this is the second coin. Now this coin is having two sides, head plus tail. This coin is also having two sides, head and plus tail. So the possible outcomes here is 2. Here the possible outcomes is 2. So we can write total number of outcomes is equal to total number of outcomes is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Now guys, what is the possibility that C gets at least one head? Okay, now let us see the picture here. Like if the coin is tossed, what is going to happen? Coin tossed, two coins tossed, actually two coins. So here in one, like the outcomes might be head. So in this combination might come, or tail, this combination might come, or tail head, this combination might come, or head tail, this combination might come. So these are the four possibilities that might happen. And if you look here, the possibility of getting at least one head is here one chance, here another chance, here another chance. That means altogether there are three possibilities are there. So we can write total number of favorable outcomes could be, or the total number of favorable outcomes, total number of favorable outcomes. So we can write total number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3, because here we are getting one head, here at least one head, here at least one head, here at least one head. Altogether there is 3. So as per the question, probability that C gets at least one head. So we very well know that probability of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes, upon total number of outcomes. This is what it is being given, or this is the formula, or this is the method that we find. Generally we calculate probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now guys, here probability of getting an head will be therefore number of favorable outcomes is 3 upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 4. See, this is the total number of outcomes and this is the favorable outcomes. So this is 4. So we can very well tell that the probability that C gets at least one head is 3 by 4. The probability that she gets at least one head is 3 by 4. That's all guys. This is the answer, and this is the way that we generally calculate, and this is the process. First of all, it would be better if you could visualize a picture, or if you can represent a picture having this way, so that it will be easy for you to understand and easy for you to move ahead. Guys, still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.